Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Apple Pay to Coinbase for fast crypto purchases, full guide step by step clearly. Open the Coinbase app on your device. Log in to your Coinbase account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen prompts. Once logged in, tap on the settings icon in the upper left corner. Scroll down to the Payment Methods section. Select Add Payment Method. Choose Apple Pay from the list of available options. You may need to verify your identity if prompted. Follow the instructions to enable Apple Pay for your account. You will be directed to your Apple Wallet. Make sure your payment card is added to Apple Wallet. If necessary, add your preferred payment card to Apple Wallet. Return to the Coinbase app to finalize the connection. Confirm that Apple Pay is now listed as a payment method. You can now use Apple Pay to make purchases on Coinbase. To buy cryptocurrency, tap on Buy, then select the crypto you want. Enter the amount you wish to purchase. Choose Apple Pay as your payment method. Review your order details, ensuring everything is correct. Tap Buy Now to complete your transaction. You will receive a confirmation once your purchase is successful. Now you can enjoy quick and convenient crypto purchases using Apple Pay. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.